Hi guys, this is week 6. In this week, you are going to be submitting your literature search report. So whatever you have done in week 5 with reading the journal articles, looking at connections, looking at the information that you are synthesizing, this is the report about it. So let me go show you the report first. So what you're going to do for the report is you're going to type your research question here. You're going to put your article. You can put directly just in the APA format, or you can put the title here, and then you're going to put the APA format for it. The type of study it was, quantitative, qualitative, mixed methods, what kind of a study was it, and then a sentence, theme, or information relating to your topic. I am not looking for a page for each one of them. That is a lot. A paragraph, 2 to 3 sentences that actually show how it connects to your topic, or what information are you getting from it, or is this a seminal piece, or what. So anything that you can talk about, this information will definitely be expanded for your literature search. So here I'm just looking at the type of articles that you have, the APA, 2 sentences about them, that this article will provide me information or provides information about so and so. That is not like hard and fast that this is the way you need to write, but that's just an example. Let's look at the rubric for it. So this is your rubric. The rubric is from 16 points, and so you'll get a 10 out of a 16 points. You have 10 or more relevant articles which are 5 to 8 years old. So this is what will give you full. All the articles are in APA format. I really want you guys to get into the habit of doing the APA format. You are able to identify the type of studies, have a combination of quantitative and qualitative articles, or mixed methods articles. Maybe you don't have any mixed methods. And then at least 8 articles have a sentence indicating how this relates or provides information how this relates to your research topic. So that is what is over here. So get into the habit of APA. We look at APA 7th edition. So it's really important that you guys are using APA format. If you have any, this is the Dropbox for it. Look at the due date. The due date is March 1st by 11:30 p.m. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.